log into the site, click on start, then click on start Bitcoin mining, and boom, you can mine 1.5 Bitcoin. The name of this site is this video, I will show you how to earn free Bitcoin using the free Bitcoin mining sites without investment this year 2022. So Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, is a digital or virtual currency. It's like an online version of cash. There are three main ways you can get Bitcoins. First, you can buy Bitcoins using your real money. Second, you can sell products or services and let people pay you with Bitcoins. And lastly, they can be created using a phone or a computer, which is known as Bitcoin mining. And that's what we will be focusing on in this video. I will show you the 3 best Bitcoin mining websites and apps that work in 2022 and beyond. All you need is a computer or a smartphone with an internet connection. And I have also made sure that this way of making Bitcoin is completely beginner friendly. And I have searched for hours on the web to make sure it is legit. And this works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. And do not miss the third website on our list, because there you will be able to make the most Bitcoins. Now, first of all, I want you to come over to Coinbase.com. Coinbase will provide you with the free Bitcoin wallet that you can set up to collect your Bitcoin from all the other websites or apps that we are going to use today. For this, all you have to do is click on this button, Get Started. From there you will be taken to the next page. Now, you have to submit your first name, last name, your valid email address, and create a password. Check on this box and click on Create Account. They will send you an email confirmation mail. Click on this box and you will be able to log into your account. You can also use your other Bitcoin wallet for this, like Binance.com or Bitcoin.com. And if you are new, you can use the Bitcoin.org to find the best wallet for you. To do so, click on Choose Your Wallet. Then click on the next button over here. You will be redirected to this page. In the first step, you have to choose your operating system. If you are using a phone, you can select Android or iOS, and if you are using a computer or a laptop, you can choose Linux, Apple, or Windows. I personally use a laptop, so I am choosing Windows. Click on Next. In the second step, you can choose your level, new or experienced. I suggest you to choose new, because then this will show us more options and will guide us through the process. In the third step, you have to choose your criteria like control, transparency, privacy, fees, etc. Select fees and click on Next. And in the fourth step, click on 2FA, that is two-factor authentication, and click on Next button at the bottom of the site. So as per our needs, the Electrum wallet is best for us. You can easily register on Electrum. And after that, I want you to come to our first Bitcoin mining app, which is CryptoBrowser.site. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices. This is one of the favorite websites because of the fact this allows you to earn passive income using it. You don't have to be actively involved in the process because this is a Bitcoin miner browser. That means if you install this browser on your computer or a smartphone, you can let it run in the background, it will use some of your computer resources, and it will generate Bitcoin for you automatically. Now, this browser is similar to Google Chrome. If you use this browser, you will find that it looks very similar, it feels the same way, and it uses the same extensions. And all you have to do to start mining Bitcoin is to install this app on your smartphone or a computer. And as mentioned earlier, this app is available for both Android and iOS devices. If you use an Android device, the app will look like this. And if you use the iOS device, the app will look like this. I will suggest you to install it on your computer as well and replace the browser you are currently using, because that will maximize your earnings and give you even more profits. Now, moving on to our second app is FeaturedPoints.com. This app is available for both Android and iOS as well. They have paid their users 5.8 million since 2012. This is a reputed app. First of all, you have to complete some micro tasks to earn some points which you can later on redeem into money. Here, you can complete surveys, earn cashback, download apps, and share with your friends and earn points which you can redeem later in the form of Bitcoin. Now you can download the app to your iOS device or an Android device and start earning with it. Moving on to the third website is moonbitcoin.com. If you face any issue to reach this site, I suggest you to use any of the Google Chrome VPN extensions and try again. This will not affect the process, and you will still be able to earn Bitcoin. This site will need your Bitcoin wallet address to log in. So you can now see why I asked you to create a Bitcoin wallet beforehand. This site has already have 300,000 users on their platform, and they have helped them to earn more than 119 Bitcoins. And we are going to take a big piece of that pie. Don't worry, I will walk you through the process. But before that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on, so that you can make the most money with the latest and working methods that I will share with you on this channel. As you can see, this site has paid plans also which you can buy later on once you start earning Bitcoin from this site. But for now we will start with the free plan only. And you will probably know by now, if you have been doing some research on the topic, that Bitcoin mining is not an easy thing. That is going to take a lot of computing power, and people are investing tens of thousands of dollars in computer parts just to get one Bitcoin. So in order to allow you to mine within your browser, these guys are going to do a lot of work in the back end so that the process is easy and straightforward for users like you. And now, come over to Coinbase.com again and log into your account. After that, click on Send or Receive option on the top right corner of the website. And then click on Receive and copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here. Now, paste your Bitcoin address in this box in order to log in. And that should display this little pop-up asking you whether or not you would like to start mining process. So just click on the start button and you will be taken to your dashboard where you can see your current balance and the amounts that you have generated over certain period of time. And the bonus point is that you will get your an hourly bounty which is active right now, which you can collect every hour. This is a kind of some extra earnings for clicking on that button. After success, you will be able to see this message. Congratulations, you have earned your hourly bonus. The Bitcoin amount you earned has been transferred to your account. That bounty will again be active after 1 hour, so don't worry. But this won't make you any significant earnings. And instead, I want you guys to focus on the Bitcoin mining process. As you can see, they are also running ads on their site. These advertisers are paying a lot of cash to them to display those ads. And that is the main source of income for Moon Bitcoins. And by allowing them to use our computers, they are most likely to share their ads revenue with us. But let's focus on our main goal. Now click on Start Bitcoin Mining. And as you can see, the mining has started. It will last for 10 minutes. And once you are successfully connected, you can also see your mining speed at which you are mining, which will be in hash per second. And you can see here the money you are making from the Bitcoins that you have mined till now using your browser. As you can see, the amount of Bitcoins earned are not great. After all, you are mining Bitcoin using your browser alone, so you cannot expect to mine a complete Bitcoin in just a matter of minutes. However, this will add up over time. And in the long run, you can earn pretty significant amount doing this consistently. But pay attention to this message over here. Never close the mining window. The amount you earned will not be calculated if you close. So, keep this window open for 10 minutes. When the 600 seconds are up, your earnings will be transferred to your account. And after that you can withdraw them into your Bitcoin wallet. The withdrawal process cannot be easier than that. You just need your address ID, which is your Bitcoin wallet address, and the amount of Bitcoin you want to generate to withdraw your profits. And, if you want to make more money online, I suggest you click on the video showing on the screen right now.